Hello, are you running a partnership business? Then your partnership deed is the foundation of your operations. It defines your partner roles, profit-sharing arrangements, and decision-making processes. But what happens when your business evolves? Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about creating, amending, and filing a legally sound partnership deed with Filings Corner. What is a partnership deed? A partnership deed is a legal agreement that governs several key aspects of your business. Capital contributions, how much each partner invests in the business. Profit and loss sharing, how profits and losses are divided between partners. Roles and responsibilities, who handles which business functions. Decision-making process, how major business decisions are made. Dispute resolution, legal provisions in case of disagreements between partners. Exit or dissolution terms. What happens when a partner leaves or the business is dissolved? Having a clear and legally binding partnership deed ensures smooth operations and protects all partners' interests. Legal framework and compliance. The partnership deed is governed by several laws. The Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines partner rights and responsibilities. Sections 13 and 18. These sections cover capital, profit sharing, and management roles. Dissolution laws, Section 55, provides legal provisions on how to dissolve a partnership. State-specific rules. Some states may require you to file with the Registrar of Firms. These laws ensure that your partnership operates in a compliant and transparent manner. Can you change a partnership deed? Yes, you can amend a partnership deed. Amendments are needed when a new partner joins or an existing partner exits. Profit-sharing ratios are revised. Roles and responsibilities change. Capital contributions are increased or decreased. Your business operations or strategy evolves. Amending your partnership deed ensures that your agreement reflects any changes and keeps everything legally compliant. How to amend a partnership deed. Here's how you can amend your partnership deed. 1. Draft the amendment deed. Document all changes clearly. 2. Mutual partner consent. Every partner must agree to the changes. 3. Sign the amended deed. Official execution is required to make it valid. 4. File with authorities, if required. Some changes may need to be filed with the Registrar of Firms or other authorities. 5. Maintain updated records. Keep legal proof of amendments for future reference. Documents required for amendment. To amend your partnership deed, you'll need the following documents: original partnership, deed, the registered agreement that needs to be updated, partner identity proof, PAN, Aadhaar, passport of all partners, consent letters, signed letters from partners confirming the changes, updated supplementary agreement, stamped and notarized for legal validity, filing forms if needed, compliance with state or ROC filing requirements. Why choose Filings Corner? So why should you choose Filings Corner for your partnership deed amendments? Expert drafting and legal compliance. We ensure that all amendments are legally sound. Hassle-free filing. We take care of Registrar of Firms submissions, making sure everything is filed correctly. Quick and cost-effective. Avoid delays and legal errors with our efficient process. End-to-end assistance. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get expert assistance with your partnership deed. Filings Corner, ensuring smooth transitions, legal compliance, and business growth.